Hey guys, I'm going to teach you how to knit the garter stitch. The garter stitch is a great stitch if you're trying to do any longer project like a scarf, and it prevents bending up of the edges. And really what it is this row after row of the knit stitch. So I'll show you exactly what to do. Take your working needle, go behind the left needle, wrap the yarn around, and pull through. And you just do this all the way down the line. And so I'm just going through with my working needle, wrapping the yarn around and pulling through. And so that's a row of the knit stitch. And you just do the same thing on the other side. So instead of switching off and doing one knit row, one purl row, you're just doing knit on every single row. And once I do a couple rows of this, I'm going to show you the difference in how the finished product looks. That's another row of knit stitch. And I'll probably do one or two more and show you what it looks like in just a moment. Okay, so I've been doing the garter stitch and I just want to show you what the difference is. So when you do knit for every row, suddenly what was just braid design turns into a layer of knots that's kind of spread out. It's a little more spread out than what we had when we were just doing the knit and the purl. And so this is great if you want to do a scarf or anything that is narrow because the sides won't roll up. So now that we've learned all these different ways of knitting, the last thing you want to learn is how to cast off. So stay tuned for my next tutorial and I'll show you how to finish your project.